code, okay? Okay. So some others are joining us too. So let's wait for them.
This is
Hello, Erdal.
hello.
Hello. Hello.
I hope you are all okay.
Yes, we are okay. We hope you're okay too.
Okay, I'm okay. Thank you very much. I am in the exam now, so I cannot turn on my camera. Sorry for that.
But it's nice that you are with us and you can see what other students and teachers have prepared.
Yeah, I can see you.
We
I
can
can see
arrange,
you.
yes, we can arrange another meeting if it is a need. Okay.
Okay.
Okay. Well, I don't know if Christian can join us, but he didn't write anything. But okay, maybe one minute or. As for this session, we have prepared to show the presentation about power stations in Lithuania. And Hilmi, what you can show today?
Yes. Yes, short space.
Presentation to present today about our electricity project.
Okay, well, it's nice. Will you need to share the screen because you have such option, share screen?
Yes.
Okay, then let's don't waste time. We may start, okay? So Lithuanian students can be first, and then you will continue, okay?
Okay.
If you have some questions, you may ask after the presentation, okay? Today, Vilte and Simona will speak, so please, girls, wave your hands. There are girls who will take part and will present the slides, and everything was prepared by a group of students. Gabriele and Emma, raise your hands and wave. So they were responsible for technical part. Okay, so one moment, let's try to be ready, okay? It is mainly in Lithuanian, but the girls will explain what you see on the screen in English, okay?
Okay.
They will come closer, okay? And we just want to check, can you hear us well?
Yes, we can.
Okay, okay, then let's start. Okay.
Electricity generation in Lithuania. Generator. Electric machines that provide mechanical energy. Generator structure. They come in a variety of designs, but each generator has the same basic components.
Power plant. Electricity is produced in special factories called power plants. They are classified by fuel type.
Types of power plants. Hydroelectric power stations. Their energy source is the potential energy of the rainwater. Hydro accumulation. It operates as a hydroelectric power plant during the day and uses excess electricity at night.
Thermal power plant. Their energy source is oil, fuel oil, coal, gas. A nuclear power plant uses energy released during nuclear reactions.
Modern ecological power plants. Wind farms, they convert wind energy into electricity accordingly. Solar power plants use sunlight and thermal energy. List of top 10 Lithuanian power plants. Lithuanian power plant, Kaunas hydro accumulation power plant, Vilnius power plant, Kaunas cogeneration power plant, Orlen Lithuania power plant, Kaunas hydroelectric power plant, Achema power plant, Lietuvos power plant, Panevėžys cogeneration power plant, Klaipėda demonstration geothermal power plant.
Lithuanian power plant is the largest in Lithuania. It is a thermal power plant.
Kaunas hydro accumulation power plant, the second largest in Lithuania and the only one in the Baltic states.
Vilnius cogeneration plant, VE3, the third largest thermal plant in Lithuania. It produces not only electricity, but also heat.
Kaunas cogeneration plant is a thermal power plant in Kaunas, the fourth largest in Lithuania. For Kaunas residents, is the main source of heat and electricity.
Kaunas Algirdas Brazauskas hydroelectric power plant is the largest hydroelectric power plant in Lithuania using renewable energy resources.
Thanks
Thank you
for watching.
Okay, it was the end of our presentation. Well, maybe you have some kind of questions.
Do you guys have any questions? No, we don't. We don't have any questions.
Okay, well, so now you may be aware of what kind of power stations are here in Lithuania and what kind of energy they produce. Okay, well, then if it's okay, we may turn to your presentation, okay?
Okay.
Mhm. Please check. It seems to me that you may share the screen. All participants have such opportunity. Please check.
Don't share the screen.
Just a moment. Okay, just a moment. Okay. Well, now please check.
Oh, okay.
Can you see the screen?
Can you see the screen?
Yes, yes, it's okay. We can. Okay.
Everyone, hi everyone, today we are presenting our Turkish electricity power plants. Let's have a look. The first one is the thermal power plant. So let's see what we have in Turkey. A thermal power, what is it? A thermal power station is a power station in which heat energy is converted to electricity. Typically, heat is used to boil water in a large pressure vessel to produce high pressure steam, which drives the steam turbine connected to an electrical generator. So in summary, when we summarize this project, the thermal power station is working by water and heating the water and turns to steam. And this is steam turning the turbines with kinetic energy and turn this kinetic energy to electrical energy. So let's have a. So where are they? So we have in total 55 coal-fired thermal power plants in Turkey. As you can see, these are the provinces we have in Turkey by numbers. So what is the energy coming in or coming out? So what's the main energy we are using to produce electricity? Heat is used to change water into steam in the boiler, and then this steam drives the turbine heat to kinetic energy, and this kinetic energy drives the generator to produce electricity to kinetical electrical energy, and finally we get electrical energy. So what we're using in this power plant to heat the water, we use coal and thermal power stations. And this is the schematic diagram of the thermal power station. So the place is the alternator is placed behind the turbine, the place we create the electricity. Alternator is the part of the thermal power station which creates the electricity. So let's move on. This is the pollution level. We are pollutants and emissions. We have carbon dioxide by 4615, and particle matter it's 4374, and other gases we have. And this is a very large amount of gases we are emitting in the environment. So we have another power station. It's wind power stations. So what's wind power stations? A wind turbine is a device that converts the kinetic energy of wind into the electrical energy. Let's move on. Where are there? In total, we have 3,285 wind turbines produce electricity in Turkey. As you can see, this is the provinces we have the wind energy in Turkey. What is the energy coming in or coming out? When air moves quickly in the form of wind, the kinetic energy is captured by the turbine blades. So the wind is turning the blades randomly, and then the blades start to rotate and spin a shaft that leads from the hub of the rotor to generator and produces electricity. This is a schematic diagram of power station. So as you can see there, we have wind to turn the turbines to have the mechanical energy, and this mechanical energy is turning randomly the generators and create the electricity. The rotor connects to the generator that speed up the rotation and allow for a physically smaller generator. This translation of aerodynamic force to the rotation of the generator creates electricity. Let's move on. So this is the pollution level. Fortunately, the wind energy is a clean source of power. So it's a zero direct pollution. So we have wind energy has zero direct pollution, you have no pollution. Nuclear power stations. What is it? A nuclear power plant is a thermal power station in which the heat source is a nuclear reactor. We use nuclear elements to heat the water and turn it to steam. Let's have a look. Where are there? In Turkey, Akkuyu nuclear power plant, which was started to be built in 2015, is a nuclear power plant to be built in Akkuyu region of Mersin province. When its construction is completed, it will be Turkey's first nuclear power plant. The project is scheduled to be brought back to life in 2023. This is the first Turkey's power plant, and it's not built yet. What is the energy coming in or coming out? Nuclear power plant heat water to produce steam. This steam is used to spin large turbines that generate electricity. Uranium is the fuel most widely used in nuclear reactors and power plants. So, as you guys know, uranium has a very large amount of energy we can create. And this large amount of energy can heat water in a high temperatures. And after this, we have steam to turn these turbines. It's very similar mechanical physics with thermal power plants I presented before. Let's have a look. So its pollution level. Nuclear power plant does not pollute our environment. In fact, nuclear protects our air quality as a form of zero emission clean energy. Nuclear reactors do not produce air pollution or carbon dioxide while operating. So we have hydroelectric power plant. Let's have a look. What is it? A hydro power plant, water flows through a pipe and penstock then pushes against the turn blades and a turbine to spin a generator to produce electricity. Where are there? In Turkey, there are 685 active hydroelectric power plants. As you can see, these are provinces we have our hydroelectric power plants. What's the energy coming in or coming out? As you can see, we use water to turn the turbines with water's potential energy. In hydroelectric power plants, we use water. Water flows through a pipe or penstock, then pushes against the entrance plates in a turbine to spin a generator to produce electricity. Let's have a look at its pollution level. Hydro power generators do not directly emit air pollutants like carbon dioxide or other methane gases. However, dams, reservoirs, and the operators of hydroelectric generators can affect the environment. Like a dam that creates a reservoir may obstruct fish migrants, and in the seas, we use the water to use in hydroelectric power plants. And this water have, of course, this water have fish in it. And when we using or operating these water plants, water hydroelectric power plants, we are killing the fishes. So this is the bad point of this power plants. So let's have a look. Thank you for your attention. That's it. Do you guys have any questions?
Thank you very much. It was interesting to listen to. Any questions from the students? It was very interesting. Okay, Christian, hello. Thank you for joining our meeting.
Thanks to you. Very nice work. Congratulations for the student work. Congratulations. Very nice work. The trouble, I don't have my student this day, so it's the last time we change the day for my student. They can participate to the meeting, but the work is very nice. So you can put your work in the TweetSpace pages, okay, and send me your video when you explain the power plant, okay?
Yes, of course.
Thank you.
Of course. Yeah, we'll put everything in TweetSpace, and
Yes.
okay. If you add the work of your students, it would be nice too, and other students of Erdal and other partners will add their
Yes.
activities too. Okay.
Yes, it's important because I would like to do a video with together the part of all students in the video. For example, nuclear power station, a video about nuclear power station, a video about wind power station. Okay, with all the students of each country.
Yes.
So put the video in the TweetSpace and can catch the video and produce the movie. Thank you.
Okay, well, thank you. We'll do the same because other students also have are in the progress now of preparing their individual presentations. Okay, I think we can also create an interactive map where we can add these presentations just to present what are electricity industry in our countries. Maybe it would be a great idea too.
You can create the map if you want, because in a map you can put the
Yes.
video, you can put the file. Very good too. Yes,
Yeah.
you can do that.
Just an idea how to collect all info and present our work. It will be like an example of our common work. Yeah, also. Okay, and thank you, Christian, for ideas. Hilmi, can you say about the results of Votion progress? I mean, the best logo. Do you have any results now?
This logo voting is winning.
Just a moment. I will spotlight you. Okay. So it is the winner, yeah?
Yes, the winner, 20 votes.
Okay, it seems to me, Who has created? Oh, we know who has created it. Just a moment. I will add spotlight. Emma, can you stand up? Okay, it seems to me this is the work of Emma. Emma, wave your hand. Okay, thank you. Thank you very much. Nice, wonderful. Okay. And then we can also think about what can be the next. There are some ideas for teachers. Yeah, teachers can choose activity. For example, Christian is responsible for video. Yeah, Hilmi is responsible for choosing the best logo. Yeah, the process of it. So we don't have much time. Yeah, until the end of April, because in Turkey you have to apply for the label quite early, in the beginning of May. Yes.
Yes, Mart'ın onda şey olacak. Son olması gerekiyor. Mayıs. Mayıs değil. Evet. Sen söylesene Mayıs sonunda projenin
In
tamamlaması
10th
gerekiyor.
in 10th May, we have to finish our project.
Yes.
Kalite etkisi son maç.
So
Because the
Mhm.
10th May is the deadline of the
Deadline.
quality.
Kuantum değil bu.
Yes, we understand. So we don't have much time, and maybe all teachers can think about real activities. We can upload at TwinSpace and real ideas for our common work. So one of the common works will be video, yeah, by Christian.
Yes,
And,
the video have to be finished for the deadline. It's very important.
yes.
All students can put the video in the TwinSpace. It's very important. The other activity is to fill in the file, the Google, the slide that we share with you. Okay, the slide, you put the other slide in the collaborative slide, if it's possible. Okay, is a second activity. So video with slide for me, if it's possible.
Just a moment. To send video to you or just upload a TwinSpace? Send to you.
You put in TwinSpace and you send your video, your individual video. After with each individual video and create a video for everybody. Just by a section. Just a video about nuclear station, another video about hydroelectric station, power station, four or five little video. Okay.
Okay, it's clear. Maybe let's decide that it will be done until next Wednesday, until it will be the 13th of April. Yeah, all videos should be at TwinSpace until the 13th of April. Is it okay?
Okay.
So all works will be uploaded to TwinSpace. Okay.
Yes.
Okay. Well.
And I will try to catch the video in the YouTube. If I cannot catch the video, you send me for Google Share. Okay.
Okay. Thank you. Okay. Well.
Thank you.
Okay. Well, please, Floria College, you may speak.
Can you ask your question one more time, please?
Sorry, could you repeat, please?
You said something and we didn't really hear that. Can you please repeat that?
Okay. We said about the deadline for uploading videos and presentations at TwinSpace until the 13th of April. All works which we have done for this project, for example, presentations of power stations, if you have examples of experiment for producing energy, yeah, let's upload them at TwinSpace until the next week, Wednesday. April 13th. Is it okay?
Hocam bir hafta kadar.
Bir hafta kadar. Tamam. 2 hafta sonra toplantı yapabilir miyiz? Bu çalışan bir sistem için böyle yapıyoruz gerekiyor. 2 hafta sonra bir toplantı yapabiliriz.
Sure, we will upload our themes. And there's another thing that we would like to say. Can we have another meeting in 2 weeks, please?
Another meeting in 2 weeks, yeah?
Yes, because this week we're in a break. We're not coming to school, and we would like to have a meeting again in 2 weeks.
Okay, it seems to me we are going on vacation to starting April 18th. So we will be back to school on April 25th. Yeah? April 25th. So is it okay to meet on the week? Yes,
So
from April 25th to April 29th. For
are you
example,
guys?
again, Thursday or Wednesday, we can choose these days.
Okay, so hocam biliyorlar ama ayın 25'inde yeni şöyle.
Tamam o zaman. Ne zaman müsaitse, Christian'lar müsaitse o zaman haber verelim. Christian'lar olsun.
Which day are you guys free to have the meeting?
Christian'lar zaten müsait.
Mr. Christian, are you okay to have a meeting?
Could you repeat which day you suggest?
Yeah, it's okay for us which day you guys are.
We can use Thursday again. Christian, can you meet after lunch? For example, about half past 1. It will be 12:30 in France.
Yes, if you want. Give me the link.
Okay. So and if your students can join us in 2 weeks, it would be great.
No, 2 days. I'm going to send you the first the student calendar. Okay, for me. And just have my student for time in the week. So I will send you one, okay, for the next time.
Yes, great. At least one. Great. Okay. Then it can be the 27th, the 28th. Sorry, the 28th of April at 12:30 set, and it means 1:30 in Turkey and in Lithuania. Sorry, do we have the same time in Turkey? What time is it now?
What time is it now? It's 12 o'clock for now.
Okay, so the same time here. So 1:30. Okay, next time 1:30. Is it okay?
Yeah, it's okay for us. Just like me.
Okay.
Tamam.
Okay.
It's
Okay for us.
it's okay.
Okay, wonderful. Well, it seems to be then that we have had a wonderful, productive meeting today, and thank you, everyone, and hope to see you next time. Let's stay in touch with WhatsApp too.
We are going to show you guys a thing that we're doing it right now in 28th of April. That's okay for you guys, right?
Yes. Okay. Thank you very much for this meeting.
Are you guys going to show us anything on 20?
Not today, but we will upload some works at TwinSpace too. Until the next Wednesday, more works will be at TwinSpace.
Okay.
Okay.
Thank you for
Okay,
having
thank
us.
you very much. Goodbye.
Bye.
Thank you, everybody. Thanks.
Thank you.
Next
Goodbye.
time.
Thank
Bye
you.
bye.
Bye, Mr. Tree.
Okay. See you next time. Thank you. Goodbye.